1 2/7 divided by 1/2. Before we can divide these, we need to convert 1 2/7 from a mixed number to an improper fraction. We can do that using the Texas method. So we have 1 2/7. We start at 7 and go around. So we have 7 times 1, which equals 7, and then 7 plus 2, which gives us 9. So our new fraction should now be 9/7. We don't need to do anything with the 1/2 because it's already in a format that we can divide these fractions with. Now, in order to divide these, we need to perform keep, change, flip. So keep, change, flip. So we'll keep 9/7. We'll change the division sign to a multiplication sign, and then we will flip 1/2 to its reciprocal of 2/1. Our next step is to just multiply across. So we have 9 times 2, which gives us 18, and then 7 times 1, which will give us 7. The next step would be to simplify this fraction, which means we would need to divide 18 by 7. 7 goes on the outside, 18 goes on the inside. 7 can go into 18 twice, give us 14. 18 minus 14 is 4, and we stop there. 2 is now our whole number. 4 is our numerator, and 7 is our denominator. So our answer for this question should have been 2 4/7.